So in this video, we'll see an easy alternative for Photoshop. So this is the basic interface of LightX. Now let us take an example. Suppose I'm choosing this picture and let's try its tools. First of all, let us try the cutout tool. That is really very important for us. And it's simply great. Now let us put one background. Let's see how it works. Suppose I'm choosing this background for this picture and I'm adjusting the foreground picture. Yeah, good over here. And now let's make some adjustments. Suppose the exposure, the warmth and the contrast. Yeah, it looks pretty good here. Now let us try the double exposure function. With the same background, I'm putting it over here, adjusting the size and blending it with some predefined blending options. Now let us try the color mix option. This one. We can choose different colors from the effects. Suppose I am choosing this one. Yeah, this is going great. And a final touch. Again, I'll make some adjustments. I'm saying this one as the best alternative for Photoshop for mobile users because this app is unknown to many of us. So hope that you'll try this app after this video. Now let us save the picture to the highest pixels available. And yeah, this is done. And you can see the LightX is the best alternative for Photoshop in your mobile.